Hello guys, this is going to be a very short tutorial about the XR Interaction Toolkit. As you might have noticed, it got an update recently, and ways of doing things change a little bit since tutorial you can find on the internet by Valem, etc. So basically, if you go to the changelog of the toolkit, you can see all the changes recently done. And what concerns me, what made me search a little was the OnSelectEntering methods and so on. And you can see here that they changed the signature. So I am going to explain to you what does it mean. And it's actually pretty simple. You can see some examples here where I invite you to read it thoroughly if you want to. So to download the package, you have to access in the package manager the gear here. You click on Advanced Project Settings, Enable Preview Packages, which is required now for preview packages. Then you have the XR Interaction Toolkit, and just install it. Okay, so when it's done, you just click on the class you want to modify, and then we're going to inherit from you got to include Unity Engine .xr Interaction Toolkit. Then you make it inherit from XR base interactable, for example. And there, before you used to do this, void on select enter XR base interactor. So that, or entered, sorry. Yeah, so that used to work. It probably still works now, but as you can see, it's obsolete. So now what you're going to do is to change the base interactor, and if it's OnSelectEntered, it's going to be SelectEnter event args, and then you can name it as you want. Let's say args, and then you can access the interactor from args. Yeah, so now it's more complete. And yeah, as you can see, base interactor. Yeah, as you can see now, it's the same type. So it's they say in the documentation it's more complete. You can access more things like this, and I guess that's why they did it. So that's basically it. Of course, we can try it with on select exited, because then the arguments are different. So on select exited, then select, you can choose, yeah, select exit event args, and then it's the same. So you can access args interactor or interactable. And that's it. So there's more work to do than before, but still it's basically the same. So that's it for today. See you guys. Bye.